Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's time to study English again with Miss Halif. English is easy, English is fun. One of the ways to speak like the native speakers is to use idioms. So in this video, mari kita belajar common idioms to sound like English native speakers. Number 1, break a leg, which means good luck. Contohnya, I know you can do it. Break a leg. Number 2, as cheap as chips, which means very cheap. For example, I didn't pay much for these shoes. In fact, they were as cheap as chips. Number 3, cost an arm and a leg, which means very expensive. For example, I want to buy a house by the beach, but it may cost me an arm and a leg. Number 4, cry over spilled milk. It means sad over something bad that happened in the past. For example, stop complaining about your lost pen. Don't cry over spilled milk. Number 5, break the ice. It means to remove the tension at the first meeting, at the opening of a party, etc. Contoh kalimatnya, that joke really broke the ice at the conference. We all relaxed afterward. Number 6, miss the boat. It means to lose an opportunity to do something. For example, there were tickets available last week, but he missed the boat. Number 7, a blessing in disguise. It means something good that seems like something bad. For example, positive people try to see problems as blessings in disguise. Number 8, beat around the bush, meaning to avoid giving a definite answer or position. For example, please stop beating around the bush and tell me the full story. Number 9, call it a day. It means to stop what you are doing. Contohnya, I'm getting a bit tired now. Let's call it a day. Number 10, once in a blue moon, meaning something happens very rarely. Contohnya, she only comes to visit once in a blue moon. Number 11, a piece of cake. Ada yang tahu artinya apa? Dan contoh kalimatnya bagaimana? Tulis komen di bawah ya. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Semoga bermanfaat. See you on the next video. Jangan lupa follow, like, dan subscribe. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum.